Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook. So as per usual, DXY alongside the major dollar pairs and gold will be discussed. So yesterday, slow day in the markets, not major or any major moves on the dollar pairs. I was able to capitalize on a pound yen long for somewhere around 6.5%. So if you're interested in this setup, just please pop me a DM on Instagram and yeah, I'll send you the chart over and we can discuss it over there further. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. So to begin with the DXY, what are we currently seeing? So the DXY hasn't really been moving much. As we can see, we're just consolidating. So one thing that I do want to point out is the fact or the manner how we are consolidating. So currently we are consolidating in a descending manner, which essentially most of the times is a sign of bullishness or potential bullishness to come, right? So one thing that I really don't like is the fact that we haven't taken out this high over here where the stop losses are situated. Furthermore, we also have not tapped in towards this supply zone, which I would love to see tapped until we drop further in towards the lows. So what I do see happening is potentially a maturement of this channel or wedge, potentially even a retest of the lows over here before then moving up, back up in towards that 90.7 region before then tanking further back down in towards the lows. A potential area of retracement would have to be this area over here. This area is my area of demand on the 1 hour and also aligns with my potential 618 fib level, as you guys can see. So yep, that's the DXY for you. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar, so I had this channel drawn on Aussie dollar, was looking for some potential shorts. However, it did occur when I was sleeping. So if you look over here, what you can then see is that, yeah, well, we just missed the 618. However, if you go down in towards the lower time frame, what you'll then see is that we had this beautiful double top up above over here, which occurred at around 2 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, this would have been my potential short entry from where I would have loved to go short after a retest on the ascending trend line. So yeah, beautiful setup possibility on AUDUSD. However, didn't take it. Just going to be waiting further until we have a more clear price pattern, because at the moment, yeah, not really any clue what we are forming. We could still be forming a channel, a wedge, or even a symmetrical triangle. So we're just gonna have to wait and see until we have some more clear price action. There's no added use in trying to analyze this chop over here. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar. So let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar, so euro dollar has been pulling back up in towards the highs. This is also definitely a possibility. Yeah, we definitely can move up higher. If we just quickly were to draw in this fib over here, what you'll then see is that the 618 is still situated pretty high, back up above at around this area of previous support. However, what I want to personally see is, for instance, on the lower time frame, some more clear price action. So for instance, a nice channel like this before then potentially dropping back down lower, back in towards this area of demand within the market, which would potentially align with the way in which the DXY is moving. So personally, I'm not going to try and long this over here, as for me, this is just really messy. Everybody's looking for longs in the market at the moment, mainly due to the fact that they just want to mirror this overall move in towards the lows, right? So even if it does move up, I don't really have any FOMO that I'm going to miss the move back up. As everybody's looking for the move, so I'd rather just sit on the sideline and wait for some more clear price action to form. So with euro dollar discussed, let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar has been very interesting in my private community. If you guys want access, just send me a DM on Instagram. But in my private community, I did send out a signal for pound dollar, or that we were going to potentially see some pound dollar longs. So what I did was I spotted this inverse head and shoulders with the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So this was a nice 0.382 fib retracement with an area of demand over here, retest of the previous neckline alongside this descending channel. So after this, third touch of the overall descending channel, I was going to look for buys. However, the setup occurred at 5 AM in the morning and I therefore missed the setup, sadly. So yeah, I do expect or do see potential for pound dollar to move up higher, take out all the highs over here, all the stop losses situated above these highs before potentially heading back down in towards the lows, but that's something for later. Yeah, pound dollar definitely still has potential to come up higher, and I would love to see pound dollar take out the highs up here and potentially even head up higher in towards that 1.42276 area. So yeah, that's pound dollar for you. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, not really that interesting to be honest. Yeah, moving out of demand at the moment, just mirroring the move all the way to the downside that we had on Friday. Yeah, not really interested in any moves on Kiwi dollar. Of course, we still have this descending trend line back down in towards the lows, which we need to break if we were to see any more upside. So that is a potential. Over here we do have this area of supply within the market, which is next for Kiwi dollar if we keep on impulsing back up in towards the highs. So my target for Kiwi dollar is, if we do keep on moving up, my target will be 0.71925. So yeah, from there onwards we could then expect a new push back down lower. However, yeah, we're just gonna have to see how that plays out, because one thing that is certain is that we never took out this low over here. So I know for a matter of a fact that there are still a lot of stop losses placed underneath the lows, which I would love to see get taken out. So yep, that's Kiwi dollar. Let's head over to our last pair, which is gold. And gold is pretty interesting. I see two scenarios which could play out on the weekly time frame. We have this fib over here aligning with weekly demand, so we have the 618 inside of weekly demand, so that is a possibility to play out. Another possibility to play out is that we have this daily fib over here. So yesterday we saw a daily 618 fib retracement alongside this. I'm going to go to the 4 hour. Alongside some sort of a potential channel over here. Not the most beautiful channel that I've ever seen, but it is a potential channel. So we potentially do have channel maturement over here. As you guys can see, we faked out on this low as well, which is pretty nice to see. So yeah, for you guys who did follow my analysis on gold, I did call 1844, and as you guys can see, we did hit 1844 pretty precisely. Called out this level over here. So I hope some of you were able to take some buys. I did get one message from a person who did take a buy. So yeah, I love it when you guys send me messages that you're able to capitalize on my analysis. So yeah, big shout out to him. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it. We still need a lot more development, so I'm just going to be waiting on the sidelines mainly, and just keeping an eye on also my other pairs which I trade, which are GJ and Euro Yen. So yeah guys, that's all for today. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to reach out to me on Instagram, and I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks guys.